I don't believe it. Yo, this one is a good one. Not that they all aren't, but oh my. Wait till you hear this. You know what time it is. It's HubSpot Update Time, brought to you by... All right, so I told you it's a good one, and it is in HubSpot now. We have ticket personalization tokens in template and snippets. Now, for some of you, you might be, what the heck is tickets? Because some of you might not know about the HubSpot Service Hub. It's fresh, it's new as of the recording or a little bit of the recording of this HubSpot update, but it is the Service Hub, and inside of the Service Hub, there are what are called tickets. And historically, what you had for personalization tokens, we have to talk about that, by the way. Personalization tokens are these little tokens that you could put in to email and snippets in different places that you could do, like first name, last name, company, job title, to personalize the communication between you and your contact. And so, with this new ticket system and with the historical personalization tokens now, Tickets merges with this because they have their own personalization tokens as well. How does this work? Well, when you're editing an email, you can easily hit token and select the ticket drop down, and then you're going to see the personalization tokens for tickets. There's going to be those properties that you might want to reference in those emails. Now, one thing I will warn you of is that in order for you to use ticket tokens or for them to populate for use, the person who the email is associated to has to have an associated support ticket in HubSpot. Now, who gets this update? Anybody who has now the live and available Service Hub, professional users. It is available in all languages. But look, this is another step that HubSpot is taking to eradicate silos between marketing, sales, and service, because now you can use personalization across all of those types of fields or contacts that you want to use. Look, I'm going to put the link in the description below so you can go read more about this. I would suggest that you dive into your HubSpot portal if you have the Service Hub and the Marketing Hub and you want to do some of this personalization. Look, one thing that I'll ask you to do is, if you like this content, if you like these updates, if you like the HubSpot tutorials, if you want more education, even some interviews, people, I'm just saying, because we love doing this stuff, make sure you go over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That will take you over to our private Facebook group. You can also go to our Sprocket Talk page and hit that little like button. We would love it. We'd like to know that we're adding value to the community. Well, I told you it was going to be a good one. As always, this is your boy, George B. from Impulse Creative, a.k.a. Sprocket Talk, saying happy HubSpotting.